About to change the oil on my Tahoe. Oil change is like way overdue. Real busy, but looking, I'll just take one of those. No, clean this out. Cool. Hope they're still doing it where you could bring back the old broken tool and I can't find it. That's crazy. That filter is not. It has way more oil in it than it normally does. Me changing the oil on my 2008 Chevy Tahoe. I guess it prevents it from seizing up once it. A little bit too loose this time, man. Like I said, a little bit more than hand tightened today. I need kitty litter. Switch to some of my good stuff. I didn't want to open it. I wanted it to. Mess. First start. Reset the monitor.